Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Kaomi. Today, I will show you how to make a watermelon carving that is perfect for anniversaries and Valentine's Day. I dedicate this to my beautiful wife, Anna. For the ingredients, we have watermelon, eggplant, red pepper, and sweet potato. For the tools, we have bowl for the garbage, big knife, small knives, V-shape and half-moon shape carving tools, plier, bamboo skewer, and toothpick. Get your big knife and cut the end of the watermelon so that it will stand. Peel off the skin of one side of the watermelon. Peel a long strip and save it for later. Grab a friend and trace their hand on the center of the watermelon with a bamboo skewer. You can also trace a cutout from a piece of paper. The trace hand doesn't have to be perfect. Now, get your small knife and carve deeper lines. Then carve out the fruit around it. Then carve in between each finger to separate them. Next, trace the top half of the heart above the hands with a bamboo skewer, like the hand is holding it. Then carve it with a small knife. Then carve the fruit around it. With a V-shaped carving tool, carve another heart shape inside the heart, about 1/4 inch from the edge of the bigger heart. Carve out the pieces from the insides of the heart and on the edge of the heart to smooth it. With a small knife, carve V or W shapes inside the heart like this. Then carve the fruits around it. Do another layer of the V or W shapes, but start on the tips of the last layer. Do as many layers as you can until you reach the middle of the heart. We will work on the hand next. Smooth out the hand. Carve out more pieces around the heart so that the red part of the watermelon is visible. Deepen the lines in between each finger as well. Now we will carve the nails. Use your own fingers for reference when doing this. carve the creases of the fingers as well. Now, carve an inverted S shape on the sides of the watermelon with a small knife. Carve out the fruits around it. Carve another inverted S shape about 1/2 inch away to form a stem. Carve out the fruit around this as well. First, carve a leaf shape on the sides of the stem. Then, carve out the fruit around the leaf. Then, carve a smaller leaf shape inside it. Carve another leaf shape on top of this, and repeat the same procedure until you reach the end of the stem. Do the same thing on the other side. Do another stem on the other side. These leaves are optional, but it will frame the heart and the hand nicely. Now carve V shapes around the heart and leaves like this. Then carve out the bottom section of the heart so that the red fruit is visible. Let's make the orange rose. Take the sweet potato, peel off the skin and a small knife and cut the tip. Carve a half moon shape around the edge like this. Then carve off piece around it. Then, carve another layer of a half moon shape in between the first layer of petals. And carve out pieces around it again. Repeat this until you reach the top of the sweet potato. If you need a more in-depth tutorial, check out my leftover vegetable flowers video. The link is in the description. Now, let's do the leaves. Take the red bell pepper and cut off oval shapes like this. Trim them into leaf shapes. Now, carve slanted zigzag lines along the edge of the red pepper. I made 3. I will also make purple leaves. Take the eggplant and cut off oval pieces like this. Then do the same procedure as the red bell peppers. Take a piece of watermelon skin from earlier, carve a line on one side and carve a zigzag pattern on the other side. We will put this on the bottom of the hand. Stick it in place with toothpicks. Now, take the leaves and stick 3 leaves on each side of the hand with toothpicks. Take another watermelon skin and cut it in half. Cut an arc one side and zigzag line on the other. Stick the sweet potato flower in between the pointer finger and the thumb. Cut the toothpick with the pliers. Our carving is complete. This is the perfect watermelon carving to wow your loved ones. You can use it in a centerpiece for your anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or weddings to show your love for them. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified if I make new videos. See you next time. Bye bye.